staff is very, very busy getting us off the ship, making sure everybody has left the ship and no one is hiding away. And that has happened. I've seen it happen. And they have to get all the new people on the ship. So it's a busy, busy day for them. But it was a terrific trip. We get back to the Sheraton to pick up our van, and we try to leave the parking lot, but apparently you have to have a pass to leave the parking lot. So Bruce had to go into the Sheraton to get a pass. Well, what we didn't know and what we weren't told was we had to pay daily for our car. Well, the car cost was
$45
a day. And it was going to run us
$765
to get our car out. And Bruce apparently had a fit and said, "You didn't tell us. You told us where to park. You didn't tell us there was a charge." And so there was a bunch of people behind him and he was holding up the line. So they said, "Okay, here's your pass to get out. Goodbye." That was fine with us, and we will never be back there again. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.